Hey guys, welcome back. We are continuing to talk about compound inequalities. In our last couple of videos, we've looked at and inequalities, and we are now going to look at or inequalities. So remember, or is inclusive. It's everything that meets one criteria or another criteria. So let's start out with some simple cases here. So basic cases rather. So my first situation is x is greater than 4 or x is less than -1. So I know my key points are going to be -1, 0, and 4. Again, they are just in the correct numerical order. The spacing isn't important to me. Okay, so just like we did with and, I'm going to start by graphing each of the two pieces separately. So I have x is greater than 4, open circle at 4, shade to the right. I have x is less than -1. This is going to be an open circle at -1, shade to the left. And now I am looking for the or. So this is everything that is on the first number line or on the second number line. So if you see it on either number line, it should get graphed down here. So that means everything to the left of -1 is shaded and everything to the right of 4 is shaded. 4 and -1 are not included. So the or inequality becomes, if I'm writing it in interval notation, is -infinity, which is not a number, so it's a soft bracket, shading all the way up to -1, which is not included, so it's a soft bracket. I jump over a section. I start shading at 4, and I shade all the way to +infinity, which is an idea, not a number, so it gets a soft parenthesis. Moving on to the next example, I have this inequality or this inequality, so I'm going to step through this, solving these. 3x is greater than or equal to 12. X is greater than or equal to 4. And I have the word or in here, making sure that stays around. So the first thing is going to be x is greater than or equal to 4. The next one, subtract 1 from each side, and I get 3/5 x is less than -15. I'm going to multiply both sides by 5/3. And that will give me x is less than -25. I'm just going to go back and check to make sure I have the correct inequality symbols. So I have a greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than, all right? So my key numbers here, -25, 0, and 4. Okay, so x is greater than or equal to 4 is going to be a shaded circle at 4, shade to the right, and everything bigger than 4. X is less than -25 is an open circle at 25, shade to the left. And the combined, the or, which is inclusive, everything that is on either number line gets shaded. So using interval notation, reading from left to right, -infinity is not included because it's a concept, not a number. Shading all the way up to 25, but not including it. Jumping over a section, including 4, all the way up to +infinity, but not including it.